to. Today I'm gonna review this Balisong Chisel ground black Tanto. Had it for roughly 3 days now. Pretty cool knife. Got it from assistedknife.com. The blade length is 4.5 inches. Handle length 6.25 inches. Overall length is 10.25 inches. The blade itself is made of stainless steel 440. Just got into Balisongs in a month. Been a month now. Buy a $39.99 blade from Assisted Knife. Pretty good. Fast shipping. To me, I don't know. I can't speak from others, but I think that website's pretty nice. The owner is pretty cool to talk to. It's funny, smart, but yeah, this blade, it's pretty good. Me, United States, USA. The material, kind of a little bit rough. Kind of reminds me of rhino lining on back of the pickup trucks. But I'm like, it's alright. But after the first, after I got this the first time, it was kind of stiff, but I'm new at Balisongs, so probably should have put like some lubrication in there, some lube or something, I don't know the fuck. And yeah, it was pretty good. Stiff. When I popped it up, it was kind of stiff, but after a while it was swinging around and stuff, and got pretty good, got loose again. Yeah, so far 3 days, still together. Little, I don't know if that's a lot of play or a little play, I don't know. Keeping the blade straight. But $30, $39, so pretty cool. I don't know if this is like a newer model or something, but on Balisong website it says armor piercing black 11-4A AB, and on their website right here has a little bowl like indent right here, and it costs like $49.99. I don't know, but like Assisted Knife, they call it Chisel, ground black Tanto, and on their website it's armor piercing, and they don't say Tanto or nothing. I don't know, probably legal reasons, probably patent, probably. One thing about this blade that not a lot of people on YouTube made a recording on it, so I want to do a review on it. Blade itself, I like it. I like the whole Tanto look, but the one thing, I don't know if all blades are like that, but this side is flat. I was like, why is it flat on this side? I thought it would be both sides will look like that, but I don't like it. pretty smooth. Overall, pretty sturdy. I did, this is a step up from the other knife, but from swinging it around, it's pretty good sound when you swing it around. It clicks together. It feels really good when you swing it around and stuff. Like the other one, it's like it's heavier. I know that for a fact. The other one's kind of light. So some moves, I was skeptic to do with this one because it's sharper. So a month of playing with it, or not playing with this, but overall Balisongs, I've been a month almost. So pretty good. I'm not that good, but consider myself pretty good. I don't know, probably some pro or someone that's been messing with it longer will probably make fun of me or something. I know some tricks, Y2K is this way. I like to do it sideways. Kinda messed up on that one. So, I got it. So, that's pretty good. Cleans together. I don't know, like, I can't, maybe when this breaks, I'll get like an upgraded one, probably like maybe go up to $70 or maybe $100, but so it's a pretty good knife. So I don't know, ask questions, leave comments, rate, hopefully probably get some money, get new ones. I want to get another one, but you gotta wait. Not another one of this, but another Balisong. I thought it was pretty interesting, but so I have the money for it, but I'm going to do an overview on it. But you gotta wait. If you're watching, you want to know what kind of blade, well, just wait for, But, not really good at this first time. Doing an overview. See what I'm talking about, a little bowl in the thing. I hope you can see this, but that's the knife, and this one over here is the knife I got. So yeah, there's my review on this knife. Not a lot of reviews on YouTube. So yeah, over and out.